right, let me give you a little bit of insight about Woma Animations Toys Company Limited. So the company was established in 2007 and they have a total area of about 15,000 square meters in this factory alone. They have 2 working plants and we're in one of them, and they have 300 experienced workers in this plant specifically. So the factory is also ISO 9001 certified factory, which means it meets the American and the European standards. They actually export to several countries around the world, including USA, EU or Europe, Brazil, and other regions around the world. Now, I'm here surrounded with all their toys, and let me just mention this quickly before we go with the featured product. In 2015, they cooperated with Walmart with their Special Police series. They're also capable of integrating entire commercial chain from design, production, and sales. And of course, their main markets are EU, USA, and other regions around the world. They have partnered with big brands such as, of course, Walmart, Target, DG, and all these other big brands that are outside China. All right, so I just want to mention and to note that aside from certifications, from reports, I actually have the certificates behind me. So what we have here right now is their ISO 9001 certification, which means this factory is certified. They have their test reports. They have their SQP GSV is over there. They have their scan, and also let me mention this one. They also have their IETP certification as well, which is awarded in 2018 for Woma Animation Toys Company Limited. There you go. And then, of course, they have all other, like this one, the GSV. All right, so I'm in one of their facilities or workshops as well. Now, this is the automated packaging machines that are behind me. And I see so many of them, I can't even count. And all these machines are actually making everything consistent and efficient. So these machines are basically, what they do is they sort out different parts of bricks for packaging. It means all this is computerized, it's being checked by this machine itself. Therefore, each bag has the exact same proportion or same number of bricks that are required for each bag based on the requirements. Now, you might ask, right? You might ask, like, that's how consistent it is. Well, these are machines, they're consistent, but there's human intervention in this part. We have here the quality inspector, okay? Aside from the machine producing all these, they have this quality inspector. What she does basically is weighing each bag to see if this is consistent. Now, if it's inconsistent, then she will disregard some of the ones that didn't pass her inspection standards. They all can test, like let's say torque, tension, push and pull, a different test to make sure that each product, how much torque, how much tension, how much push and pull. You know, these are toys, and toys should be really, really sturdy and should be really strong, right? So all the reports are being sent so they can analyze and maybe to improve the product. And behind me are actually 20 talented designers. They're the ones who actually think of concepts, new designs. So probably if you have one of their products, it comes from here, from inception, from design, from the 3D modeling and everything.